What if I told you your heart beats over 100,000 times a day without you ever noticing, and that it's strong enough to shoot blood 30 feet in the air? Hey, curious minds, today let's dive deep into the human heart, your body's most tireless superhero. No vacations, no complaints, just pure hustle. But what makes this fist-sized organ so special? Let's find out through a mini journey inside your chest. Imagine your heart as Captain Heart, the commander of your circulatory army. It weighs less than a pound but pumps over 2,000 gallons of blood every day. That's enough to fill a small pool daily. Captain Heart has two chambers on the right and two on the left. The right side sends blood to the lungs to grab oxygen. The left side sends it to every cell in your body like a delivery truck full of life. Lub-dub, that's the sound of valves opening and closing. Your heart beats about 3 billion times in a lifetime. Every beat is a sign you're alive, loved, and evolving. But even superheroes get tired. Stress, junk food, no exercise. They all wear the heart down. But guess what? You can heal it with movement, healthy food, love, and laughter. So next time you feel your heart beat, give it a moment of gratitude. It's not just a pump, it's your life's silent soundtrack. Be kind to your heart, and it'll keep dancing with you for decades. Think about it. Your heart started beating just 22 days after you were conceived, and it hasn't stopped since. Through your highs and lows, joy and heartbreaks, it's been there, quietly doing its job. Isn't that incredible? Want more fun biology stories like this? Hit subscribe, share this with a friend who needs a reminder to love their heart, and let me know, what part of your body should we explore next?